Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Uday Nehe from Dr. D.Y. Patil University, Lohagaon, Pune. I'm currently pursuing my third year diploma in computer science. I'm thankful to the Government Polytechnic Mumbai for giving us this auspicious opportunity of demonstrating our e-commerce based Android and iOS application.
Myself, Glavin Castellino, studying at Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Engineering, Lohagaon, Pune. And I'm pursuing third year in Diploma Computer Science.
My name is Vishwajit Bhalerian from Pune and I am student pursuing Diploma from Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Engineering, Pune.
We have made an Android and iOS application which basically is an e-commerce app for buying and selling electronic appliances. This project is sponsored by Zaratech company located in Ambad, Nashik. We have designed and coded our application in Microsoft Visual Studio using Flutter language and Dart SDK. Our app is a platform for ordering electronic appliances all over the world as the company has international business relationships, and our project makes it more comprehensive so that every update will reach the customers on time and dynamically everything will be updated. The reason to initiate this application is to satisfy the needs of Zaratech company so that neither the customers will have to contact with the seller every time for their query and nor the seller will have to contact the customer. This application is totally user-friendly and can acquire great interaction as well. We have made two applications, one for the customer and another for the company acquisitive. The difference between these two apps is not too wide, but there is a slight change in the company's application mentioning the Manage Products interface, so that the company can update their new products through this option.
Customers do not require to contact with the seller. Each and everything will be mentioned in the app and will be updated as well. to reduce excessive work of sellers like contacting and placing orders, to give user fast and user-friendly experience, to provide with the updated inventory at all times. Why did the company opted to have its own app rather than contracting with Amazon, Flipkart? In order to provide direct contact and service to customer instead of going it via a third party. More customer interaction and user-friendly environment. Xeratec wants its own platform for more publicity and interaction with the customer. Our paper is being published on MJRET and IIJET journals. We have been various presentations in colleges and competitions. Our app will be published soon on Google Play Store and will be ready to use by the customers. Thank you.